When you think of 1957, you think the Chevy Bel Air. But there was another 57 with a bigger engine, a longer wheelbase, and a styling notch above the Chevy. This is the 1957 Pontiac Star Chief sports sedan, and it might be the most underrated American car of the 1950s. In 1957, Chevrolet sold about 1.5 million cars, but Pontiac, fewer than 350,000. The 57 Chevy became the poster child of the 1950s, but Pontiac offered more luxury, standard V8 power, and a place above the Bel Air in GM's lineup. The Star Chief wasn't a budget alternative. You paid more, but you got more. So what did that extra money buy? It all started under the hood. While the 57 Chevy offered an optional 283 V8, the Star Chief came standard with Pontiac's larger 347 cubic inch Strato-Streak V8. More displacement, more torque. And if you wanted maximum performance, Pontiac even offered a NASCAR certified tri-power version, producing an incredible 317 horsepower, making the Star Chief one of the quickest full-size American cars of 1957. Take a closer look at the styling. Pontiac called it the Starflight design theme. The sweeping rocket-inspired side profile gave the Star Chief a long, sleek, upscale appearance. This car had the presence of something far more expensive. Inside, the two-tone upholstery carries the exterior colors into the cabin. A beautiful dashboard with a horizontal speedometer sits ahead of the driver, while Pontiac's Hydromatic Automatic made cruising almost effortless. And because this is a pillarless sports sedan, all four windows roll down to create one wide open cabin. So why do we remember the 57 Chevy more than the 57 Pontiac? Sales? Pop culture? Regardless, the Star Chief pointed the way to Pontiac's future. It reflected the same performance philosophy that would give us the GTO just 7 years later. And when you see a beautiful cruiser like this, you realize it didn't lose because it was a lesser car. It lost because Chevrolet simply captured the spotlight. And maybe that's exactly what makes the Star Chief one of the best kept secrets of the 1950s. Hey, did you like what you saw today? We got other videos you can check out. Make sure you follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Thank you for watching. As always, I'm Dave. Peace, and keep the classics alive.